to do a little video of some different eras of car. Got another one out here. So let's do a little walk around of what we've got. This is one of our personal cars, our little Metro GTI. It is 36,000 miles, of course. Yeah, Lotus engine, or Lotus spec engine. Extremely powerful, stripped out, lightweight, caged, awesome little toy. Then we've got this absolute banger of a modern classic, BMW Z4M. And then we've got, I guess, the change really, and this was, you've got completely straight amstrad era. Then we went to the analogue hydraulic steering, diffs, no engine modes, and then we moved to the new era, and it's the new M3 in this wonderful green. Very, very different animal now. Very big car as well. Impressive interior spec. Look at these screens. Beautiful vehicle. And this is your digital era. It's definitely grown on me, the looks as well. But I love, absolutely love this job.